Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you need to follow in order to turn off uploads and downloads notifications on Google Drive. If you've been getting too many alerts whenever files are being uploaded or downloaded, don't worry. This quick guide will show you exactly how to manage those settings and make your experience much smoother. First, start by opening the settings on your phone. This is the place where you can customize just about everything related to your apps and notifications. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Apps. This section allows you to see all the applications installed on your phone. Next, tap on Apps, and then locate Google Drive in the list. Once you open up the Google Drive settings, you'll see a range of different options that control how the app behaves on your device. What we're looking for today is the Notifications setting. Tap on Notifications to open the main controls. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll find something very useful called Notification Categories. This is where Google Drive breaks down its alerts into specific groups, so you don't have to turn off everything at once. You can simply choose the ones that matter most to you. Tap on Notification Categories to explore the different sections. Now, find the category labeled Uploads and Downloads. This section is specifically responsible for sending you alerts whenever a file is being uploaded to or downloaded from Google Drive. To disable these alerts, all you need to do is toggle off the switch that says Allow Notifications. Once you do that, your phone will immediately stop showing those upload and download notifications. And that's it. You've successfully turned off uploads and downloads notifications on Google Drive. This simple adjustment can make your notification panel feel less cluttered and give you back some peace of mind without interfering with the rest of your Google Drive functionality. If at any point you change your mind and want the alerts back, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. By customizing your notifications in this way, you can make Google Drive work more smoothly in the background while you focus on what matters most.